Hello students, today in this lecture we are solving one example of propeller shaft. Okay, so a propeller shaft is required to transmit 45 kilowatt power at 500 rpm. It is a hollow shaft having an inside diameter 0.6 times the outside diameter. It is made of plain carbon steel and the permissible shear stress is 84 Newton per mm square. So calculate the inside and outside diameter of the propeller shaft. So based on that, here we write given data, what are the given data given? So first is power P is equal to 45 kilowatt. So convert into watt. 45 into multiply by 100 watt. Okay, so RPM is given, N is equal to 500 RPM. Here inside diameter DI is equal to 0.6 time outside diameter. The shaft is hollow shaft and its permissible shear stress. Permissible shear stress means safe shear stress is 84 Newton per mm square is equal to 84 convert into Pascal, 84 into 10 raised to 6 Pascal. Okay, so we have converted the given data. Then what we have to find? We have to find internal diameter and outer diameter. So both diameters we have to find. Then first we write torsion equation. Torsion equation TP divided by JP is equal to tau divided by RO. So here this equation is we know. Then here for finding out TP we have to find the engine torque TE. So TE is equal to 60 into P divided by 2 pi N. I write the direct equation. Okay, 2 pi N. So put the value of P is 45 into 1000 divided by 2 into pi into 500. Then what we have TE? We have TE value 859.43 Newton into meter. So here we don't have the gear ratio. So that's why assume the bottom gear ratio is 3. Okay, so here you can also assume Z is equal to 2.75 or 3. So here we have assumed gear ratio is 3. Then we have torque at propeller shaft TP is equal to engine torque into gear ratio. Then 859.43 into gear ratio 3. Then we have TP 2578 Newton into meter. So we have TP value. Then for JP is our polar moment of inertia. Polar moment of inertia. Then JP is for hollow shaft, pi by 32 into bracket DO raised to 4 minus DI raised to 4. Then we have DI is equal to 0.6 into DO. So substitute this DI value by 0.6 into DO. Then we have pi by 32 into bracket DO raised to 4 minus 0.6 raised to 4 is 0.129 and DO raised to 4 1 minus 0.129. Then pi by 32 into 0.8704 raised to 0 D0 raised to 4. Okay. So by multiplying pi into 0.8704 divided by 32, then we have one value 0.08545 D0 raised to 4 for JP. Okay. So here by using torsion equation, TP by JP is equal to tau by RO. So put the value of TP, JP, tau and RO. TP is 2578, JP is 0.08545 D0 raised to 4. Then tau is 84 into 10 raised to 6. Then RO is DO divided by 2. Then here 2 is going to upper. So 2578 divided by 0.08545 D raised to 4 is equal to 2 into 84 into 10 raised to 6 divided by DO. So here 1 DO and here DO is cancel out. So here remaining D0 raised to 3. Then this D0 raised to 3 is going to right side. So put the value 2578 divided by 0.08545 into 2 into 84 raised to 6 is equal to DO raised to 3. So here by dividing this value to 2578, then we have 0.0001795 DO. So by raised to 1 by 3, then we can find DO value. So here we have to cancel out these 3. So for this cancel out 3, we have to multiply raised to 1 by 3. Then we have value DO is equal to 56.4 in mm. So here we have DO value in mm 56.4. Then for the finding out internal diameter DI, we have 0.6 into DO. So 0.6 into 56.4. Then 33.84 mm. So we have internal diameter is 33.84 mm